The Samsung 77-inch Class S90F Smart has been getting plenty of attention lately, but does it live up to expectations? This behemoth of a TV is part of Samsung's latest lineup, boasting an impressive array of features that promise to elevate your viewing experience. With a rating of 4.45 based on over 459 reviews, it's clear that this model has garnered significant attention from enthusiasts and casual viewers alike. At its core, the S90F Smart is powered by Samsung's most advanced 4K AI processor, which utilizes 128 neural networks to deliver AI-enhanced picture and optimized sound. This results in an exceptional 4K experience for streaming, gaming, live sports, and more. But what does this mean in practical terms? Simply put, the AI processor upscales everything you watch to 4K using these advanced algorithms, ensuring incredibly sharp and smooth picture quality. The TV's display is where things get really interesting. With powerful brightness and deeper contrast in every pixel, the S90F Smart brings nuance to even the smallest details. This is particularly noticeable during sports and gaming, where smooth motion and elite speeds come into play. The AI processor also reduces blur and flickering, ensuring you stay focused on the action. One of the standout features of this TV is its ability to transform content to HDR-like quality. By intelligently analyzing each scene, it can enhance brightness, colors, and details for a truly dazzling picture. This feature is particularly impressive when watching SDR content, which is often lacking in these areas. Now, let's talk design and build quality. The S90F Smart boasts a sleek and modern aesthetic that will fit seamlessly into any living room. However, its massive size may be a deterrent for some viewers. Measuring 77 inches across, this TV is certainly not for the faint of heart. In terms of performance, the S90F Smart delivers smooth visuals and fast response times, making it an excellent choice for gamers. The TV's connectivity options are also impressive, with multiple HDMI ports, USB-A, and a built-in Wi-Fi antenna. So, what are the main advantages and limitations of this TV? On the plus side, the AI processor delivers exceptional picture quality, and the display is incredibly vibrant. However, some viewers may find the smart features a bit overwhelming, and the lack of support for certain streaming services is a notable drawback. In conclusion, the Samsung 77-inch Class S90F Smart is an impressive TV that checks all the right boxes. While it may not be perfect, its exceptional picture quality and smooth performance make it a top choice for serious viewers. If you're in the market for a high-end TV with advanced features, this might be worth considering. If you'd like to learn more, you'll find additional information in the description.